Hi, everyone. Yesterday, I told you that today we would talk about how you can eat more frequently, yet not be going overboard on your calories. It really is rather simple. Um, the biggest thing is the more whole foods you eat, the better off you're going to be. Because fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, um, the complex carbs, the things that your body needs don't have a lot of calories. They're more nutrient dense and low in calories. But if you're eating a lot of high calorie things, the typical snack foods, those don't have a lot of nutritional value. They don't do a lot for your body. So you need to eat more of them to get what you need. And they do have a lot of calories. So your calorie count can really add up when you're having, say, a muffin for breakfast and with a cafe latte, and then maybe you're going out to some fast food place for lunch, maybe having pizza for dinner. Okay, all of those things add up really fast, and that's what our typical daily diet is like, unfortunately. Even the things like macaroni and cheese and the off-the-shelf convenience foods, those are all really high in calorie but low in nutrient value. Um, so the best thing is to stay as close as you can to the whole foods. That's going to help you not overdo it in calories while at the same time getting all of your nutrition. I also mentioned that it's not always a good idea to go for the lower fat version of things. If you look at them and compare the labels, read the labels, maybe we'll do another class on that or a vlog, but if you look at the labels of them, the things that are low fat or low sugar, they have to replace the flavor somehow because the flavor is in the fat. So they take the fat out and they put in sugar and salt and who knows what else. All those things that you can't pronounce and can't read. Even low sugar things, they replace it with chemicals that aren't good for your body, that oftentimes the sugar is better for you, marginally, just a little bit, but then the chemicals that are replacing the sugar. So you're better off, for example, drinking a regular Coke than a Diet Coke. But even better would be get rid of the Coke altogether. Coke, Pepsi, so any kind of soda. I'm not bagging on one in particular. Coke's just the one I used to drink. But you're better off to just get rid of it all. But as you're looking at salad dressings and you have the low-fat versions, compare the low-fat version to the real version and see what they replaced the fat with. You may be better off having less of the regular than having the low-fat version. And maybe thin it down with a little bit of vinegar or even just thinning it with water. Use less. Put the salad dressing in a little container on the side and dip your fork into it and then into your salad. You're going to get way more flavor than drenching your salad and use way less dressing. This is coming from someone that used to like a little bit of salad with her dressing. Okay, so I know what I'm talking about. So there's some ideas. Share with us in the comments any other ideas you guys have for keeping the calories down, the nutrients up, and being able to eat 4, 5, 6 meals a day. Men should be eating every 3 hours for a typical man, and a typical woman should be eating every 4 hours. Athletes, of course, that's different. They should be eating even more frequently. So hope that is some valuable information for you guys. And if you have any other tips, go ahead and share them in the comments. Thanks. Talk to you tomorrow.